The MIG145 9GEN Welding Machine is a versatile 3-in-1 welder that supports gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it suitable for various materials like stainless steel and carbon steel. Featuring a digital screen display, this welding machine allows users to monitor voltage, current, and other parameters in real time without needing to remove their helmet, enhancing both efficiency and accuracy. Its synergic control system, utilizing IGBT and integrated wire feed technology, automatically matches the recommended voltage and wire feed speed, while also allowing manual adjustments for precision. The welder's dual voltage capability supports both 110 volts and 220 volts, making it adaptable to different power environments and increasing its overall convenience and applicability. Weighing just 13.7 pounds and equipped with a shoulder strap, this portable welding machine is easy to carry and ideal for outdoor use. The package includes a variety of accessories such as a MIG torch, earth clamp, stick holder, flux cord wire, solid wire, contact tips, wire feed rollers, gas hose, voltage adapter, and a user manual, providing everything needed to get started.